With all the talk these days about leaping years, we should probably be asking, what is a year anyway? Ignoring all cultural history, a year is basically the period of time that it takes for one physical body to orbit another. So an Earth month could equally be called a moon year. But to undersimplify things, even if we stay on Earth, there are several different ways to define a year. Either the time it takes for the tilt of the Earth's axis to come back to the same angle relative to the sun, called a tropical year, or the amount of time before we come back and see the same stars rising behind the sun, called a sidereal year, or, since the Earth follows an elliptical orbit which precesses, we could measure the amount of time between closest approaches to the sun. This is called the anomalistic year. Of course, all 3 years have slightly different lengths, but our day-to-day civil calendar does its best to follow the tropical year, since its duration is defined by the tilt of the Earth's axis, which also determines the passage of the seasons. There are non-Earth years, too. Mercury's year is roughly 88 Earth days, Neptune's is 165 Earth years, and the galactic year, which is how long the whole solar system takes to orbit once around the Milky Way, is around 250 million Earth years. But not all galactic years are long. Check out this time-lapse of stars orbiting the supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way. Even though you can't see the black hole, it's pretty obvious that it's there, what with all those stars zipping around in orbits taking only 10 Earth years. Astrophysicists have even used these orbits to figure out that the black hole is as massive as 4 million suns. But enough about interstellar timekeeping. If you want to learn more about leap years here on Earth, check out Gray's new video over on his awesome channel, CGP Gray. And a big thanks to the UCLA Galactic Center for doing sweet supermassive black hole research with the Keck telescope in Hawaii, and for sharing their images with the public.